Gee, what a great day. Yeah. There's our cabin. Yeah, we're out at the cabin. So, I'm going to give you a little brief synopsis of how I hooked up our solar electric fence. It's four wire yellow fence. 2.2 acres. So the top two are hot and the bottom one is hot. The middle one, the number 3 line, is a negative ground. And boy, I'll tell you what, it gives you a shock and a half, boy. Whew! I tested that myself. Cindy laughed her butt off. I don't blame her, because I had to test it. Just wanted to see what it did, but I'll tell you what, I'm getting 6 volts all the way around my entire perimeter. So this instructional video, I want to thank American Farm Works, the 10-mile solar charger. I'll tell you what, that thing does a great job. That thing pulses like no other. I've got a 4-foot copper ground there, and then I've got 3 6-foot galvanized ground rods. Okay, my 6-foot ground rods, a 4-foot ground rod go into the controller, and my line that goes from my negative out to the wire out there. I'll tell you what, that's the way to go. Also, have, you can't mess it up. You really can't. If you do it this way, you got 6 kilovolts going all the way around on my 2 acres. This right here is a lightning arrestor. If the lightning strikes this anywhere on my perimeter, I've got one here, and I've got one farther down on the other side, about 60 feet prior to my controller, which is right there. It's got to be between 60 to 65 feet, so there's no chance that the lightning's going to get to your controller. Also, I'm going to take you over here. Yeah, this is really dry ground. If you do it this way, the way I showed you, 3 6-foot galvanized, 1 4-foot copper right at the post, you cannot go wrong. And then about halfway on each side, I've got another 4-foot copper ground rod, which is right there. And yes, I wrapped with tin foil. If you didn't notice what I did there, wrapped in tin foil my copper grounds. That way it's getting a good direct ground, because this is dry ground. And if you have dry ground and you're trying to get your paddock secure, this is the way. I did this all by myself. See, I'm touching it right here, and I can feel the pulses just by touching it. It's not going to hurt the animals, but when a cow comes up and bumps against this, and that one, and this one, which is the ground, whoo boy, watch out, you're going to get lit up. 6 kilovolts. They will back off right now. Okay, so we'll walk over to the other side. It's not too far, 300 feet to the other side. We'll pause for a second.